Let me know what you think about this backdrop. It's not a backdrop, it's a lantern. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. In today's video, I want to show you a Christmas DIY that you can do for your home decor. I love this lantern so much, and I hope you will enjoy this lantern as much as I do. A little story about this video. This video that you about to watch was filmed a year ago. I was just starting YouTube. I didn't know any better. I used music that wasn't allowed on YouTube, so it got copyrighted. I decided to bring this video back to you. I did change some things up and it's ready for you guys. I am so excited. I hope you will love it, and if you want to see what's going on, then stay tuned and let's get to it. So in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this Christmas DIY. If you love this video or enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll be there to answer and help you in any possible way. Also, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you back in my next video. Bye-bye.